Health science education is built around teamwork. But how do we actually design for collaboration authentically in our courses using Canvas? Hi, I'm Quincy from the TLC team, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to use Canvas groups to develop your students' collaboration skills, much like a clinical team. Ready? Start the clock. Let's start by locating and creating a group set inside your course. First, click People, and then Add Group Set. Let's name the group set something meaningful, such as Clinical Simulation Groups. From here, there are multiple ways to create teams. You can split students by the number of groups you want. You can split students into equal number of groups. You can even allow students to sign up for the group they want to join, or you can manually create and assign students to groups. Before I show you how to manually create groups, I want to show you one additional feature. You can designate a group leader using the group leadership feature. This is really helpful if you want one student to be responsible for coordinating, communication, or submitting final work. In a clinical education setting, this can simulate team, lead, or case manager roles. Next, I'm going to show you how to create a group manually. Click on the Add Group button. And here, I'm just going to call it Group A. And I'm going to designate 3 students will be the max number of students allowed in that group. And here you see a couple of things. You see the group that I just created. Over on the left will be the list of students who have yet to be assigned to a group. First thing I'm going to do is assign these 3 students to a group by simply dragging and dropping their names from left to right. And another way to assign leadership is to click the 3 dots menu and choose Set as a Leader. And what you'll notice is this student's name will appear next to that group as the leader. This creates a structured team space for students similar to how clinical teams operate. Let me show you how. Clicking on the 3 dots, I'm going to visit group homepage, which will take me into the group area. Each group has its own mini course space. This is where those in that group can post discussions to analyze patient cases, potentially. They can upload files such as SOAP notes or care plans. They can create shared pages. They can even collaborate on documents provided in this area. This is powerful for small group activities such as case analysis, team-based learning activities, even interprofessional simulations. They can provide feedback for each other before a final simulation. This Canvas feature supports student collaboration and mirrors how healthcare teams function in real clinical settings. Students can practice communication, delegation, and shared accountability, all before they even enter clinical rotations. And there you have it. Canvas Groups gives your students a structured space to collaborate, share files, and even work through cases together. So if collaboration is central to your class, this feature is worth exploring. For more ideas like this, hit subscribe and join us for the next Tech Time session where we'll go even deeper into collaborative features you can set up in Canvas. Until then, bye for now.